Are you ready for your Facebook ads to target more high quality leads so that you can get them to buy your high ticket offers? In this video, I will talk about my exact step-by-step strategy to target your ideal client through Facebook ads. For all the things Facebook ads, funnels, and freedom hacks for your online business, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you can get notified every time that a new video comes out on Tuesdays. If you've been trying to get high quality leads using Facebook ads, you've probably been struggling. You've probably been throwing a lot of spaghetti at some walls and it's just not working. Maybe you even tried a lookalike audience. Maybe if you can't, what do you do next, right? Sure, you can use a lookalike audience, but what if you're starting from scratch? Or what if you haven't found your ideal client yet organically? The exact strategy that I'm going to be breaking down inside this video is the same strategy that I use for each and every one of my clients in my Denver U ads agency. We really use this targeting formula in order for us to get high quality leads to come through our clients' funnels and launches. And with that being said, our clients have gotten high ticket clients for $12K in their one-on-one. We've also had 100K launches with our clients using this exact formula. Stay tuned to the end of this video because on the last step, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this strategy in the actual ads manager. I'll be showing it off to you and everything. Step number one on this strategy is that you need to think of your ideal client and categorize. But before you do that, what I want you to do is, if you have not figured out exactly who your ideal client is, this is the time to do it. I don't want you running any Facebook ads if you don't know who your ideal client is. You want to know this person inside and out. What does this person like? What does this person do day in and day out? What keeps this person up at night? What does this person want ultimately out of you? I want you to write out all the things of your ideal client before you move into the next step of the step number one. To think of your ideal client in categories is to really think about, what are the categories of my ideal client? Okay, so let's say, for example, that my ideal client is a spiritual business owner who is also a mom. Okay, it's a very niche. I wouldn't recommend to go this niche, but this is just to kind of show you how to break this up into categories, okay? With this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that person into three categories. We've got the spiritual, we've got the business owner, and then we also have the mom. Here's another example. Let's say you are a health coach that wants to help college students lose weight. The way that you can do this in categories, if thinking of your ideal client in categories, is you're going to go college students, your first category, and the second category is they're interested in losing weight. Now let's say you are a business coach for photographers. You go put those categories into photographer and business owner. Okay, so I would definitely recommend at least two categories. Try to get to three if you can. Once you're finished, I want you to comment below the categories that you came up with. Step two is to now write out all the different interests, companies, public figures, magazines, books that those categories are going to fall under. So if we were to go back to our example before, the spiritual business owner who is a mom, I have my three categories: the spiritual, business owner, mom, right? Spiritual, what I'm going to do there is I can put in interests like the Hay House, Esther Hicks, I can put in Gabrielle Bernstein, I can put Law of Attraction, I can put, so on and so forth. I can keep going, right? The second category that I'm going to put in is the business owner. So I can put in Amy Porterfield, Marie Forleo. I could put lead generation, like they're interested in lead generation. They're interested in email marketing. I can put that they're interested in Infusionsoft or Asana, for example. So I can think of different interests that my ideal client will like in that category. So the third one is the mom. So what I can do there is I can put in like the Honest Company, for example, or I can put in that they're a new parent, or or that they're interested in parenting, for example. So I can put in different things on that category. Now this is the fun part. Step number three is to start plugging it into your ads manager and on your saved audiences. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that really quick. First, you put in all of the other demographics for your ideal client, like their age, gender. Then you want to put in the interests of that first category. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is I'm putting the spiritual one in there first. Then you want to click on narrow audience to then put in interest of the second category, and same thing for your third category. You want to have about anywhere from 1 million to no more than about 4 million in this audience of your reach. Another quick tip that I can actually give you guys is an income filter interest. This strategy is just basically where you put another category in, and this is something that I actually use for only high ticket automated funnels, okay? I will only use it for that because what you want to do is you're trying to find people who are willing to pay 10, 15, 20, 30K plus in order to work with you. So we're not necessarily looking for just almost anybody. We're looking for someone who is willing to pay for those high prices. So these are interests that are like Peloton, for example, or Lululemon, or you can put in, for example, frequent travelers. You can put in that they're interested in luxury goods. So these are different types of interests that are really going to target the person who is willing to actually buy your higher ticket service. So that's something that you can definitely put in if you have a high ticket automated funnel. So now that you know how to target your ideal clients through Facebook ads, I'm going to introduce you to my $27 program. It's a Facebook ads course where I teach you how to grow your community and how to make sales through Facebook ads. It's $27. So if you're interested in that, I'm putting it in the description below. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel for all more videos about Facebook ads and funnels and all the things online business. So I hope to see you guys on the next video.